Om Sri Sachidananda Sadguru Sai Nath Maharaj Ki Jai. This is Sai Deepak Ji here for you today. I am this modern mystic who does healing, who does the fortune telling by the tarot cards, by so many that other cards like this Lenormand cards and then this oracle cards. I also do this astro numerology, and my healings have been highly successful for many peoples all over the world, and people come to me from different parts of the world now. Everything is done online and it is pure energy work which is coming from Sai Baba and various gods to me. Me being this medium, I take the energy from them and share it to the people, those who are in need. In March 2025, I have also launched some thing known as the Sai Oneness experience. So the Sai Oneness is actually my oneness with Baba, which I share to the people across video calls, and they feel the same oneness and they enter into a new dimension which Baba has taught me as Sai Lok. So this Sai Lok is a new dimension where Baba lives, and I, as a medium of Baba, I take you to that spiritual experience, and you feel the oneness. You feel, you are in some other zone. You feel good. For some people in the Sai oneness, there are some this manifestations which have happened, and also for some people even the healing has happened because of the energy coming from Baba himself to me, and which I try to channel via the video call. So this Sai oneness is basically an experience, so which the people, if you want, you can come and just experience this, and I charge a fees for all these things, as I do this full time, and that is why I have to charge some fees, and that is how I also lead my this life. So now I have come up with some other package which is known as the Sai facials. I use the Sai Shakthi energy to give a natural glow to your face. And if you feel your face lacks some this natural shine or glow, you can opt for Sai Shakti facials, which is also offered to you by me via video calls. So it becomes very simple, where you don't have to do anything at all. You just have to contact me and I come to you over a video call, and I start giving you the Sai Shakti energy, which is actually known as the Sai Shiva Shakti energy, which I give to you via the video calls on your face. And we do some detailing work. We do detailing work of each cell of your face. We go to the subatomic space, and then try to give you the healing from there. So from bottom up, everything about your cells rejuvenate and it changes, and then over time your face has the natural young look as you had that so many years back. If you're old, or if you are still young, if you want your face to look better, you can come for this Sai Shakti facials done by me via video calls. So even the supermodels of the world have used this energy therapy for the facials to have a natural glow and shine. So it gives you a natural glow. So that is the beauty of all this. And I don't know how many sessions it will take per person, because everybody is not the same. The body constitution is not same. How the body is taking up this healing energy is not same. But for some people, it comes over just one session. They can find a lot of changes. They can feel the glow on their face. And for some people, it takes a few more sessions to go. But it still works because we as humans, our cells are conducive to spiritual energy. So that is why we are going to temples. We go to temples because our body is conducive to the spiritual energy. So I use the same spiritual energy to heal your face. So, your face gets something known as the Amman Mugam. You should have heard about this thing called Amman Mugam, which is the face of luck, which is the face of abundance, which is the face of good luck charm. You can call it by so many names. You get that natural glow, and even your eyes start to shine. So this is what is the feedback from various people whom I have healed. Even while healing their chakras, they could see their face has started to glow. So that is what gave me some new that insights that I can go and directly start healing their face and directly helping the people to look younger, to look more natural with the natural glow. So you need not use any cosmetics. You need not spend this money on all this. This is the most natural remedy for the face, which via the pure divine energies, which me as a medium of Sai Baba are taking it to you via the video call. So you don't have to go to any parlor. It is just easy. Just contact me, and then I just do this, and lot of energy comes from my hand. I ask Baba to give that energy to you, and I ask all the gods to give me that Shakti so that I pass the ball of light on your face, and then your face becomes totally beautiful and young again. So this can be very much done with the help of this divine energies, and it has been working for people. So I have been doing this energy work from the year 2019 when I found out that I am a medium from past birth. So this is my birth again as a medium, and but I had to face a lot of hardships to get here, and I have really gone through a lot. So I know your pains. So I know how hard it is for you. So that is why I am a healer. I am also a fortune teller, and I am this mystic by all rights, because I do energy work also. So this is about me. So those who are just interested to get the Sai facials from me, it can be applicable both to men and also these ladies. So those who want to come to me can definitely come for the facials, and I shall give you a special rate also when you come to me. Of course, when you go and see that international rate, this market stall, it's very high. Nearly $150 to $200. But I am trying to make it very much affordable by the masses. So my rates are very cheap and very affordable. And me being a spiritual master, I can really rejuvenate the face for you. So I wish you all the best and hope to see you soon on the other side. Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram.